So hi my dear Neet PG aspirants, this is Khanduja. So students, if you are applying in Karnataka State Counselling, then you should know a very important rule, one-time option entry, which exists in their state counselling. Okay, so whenever you do the choice filling, before doing it, you make your own list. You know your rank, you know a branch that you want, and maybe a city that you have decided on. Maybe you are just looking for colleges in Bangalore. You have just written the colleges of general medicine and you have a budget of 80 lakhs total. Okay, so that is initial now. Now, what if you were overconfident and you did not get any allotment? Then you would change your mindset. Maybe look for colleges in Mysore, maybe look for colleges in Mangalore, maybe at chest medicine, maybe at pediatrics. Okay, or maybe increase your budget. But does Karnataka allows that? No. In Karnataka, there is one-time option entry rule for all online seat allotment rounds. That means if you have added some colleges in round 1, you can delete them in round 2nd. You can change your order. Maybe you can write Akash above, Oxford below, then change the order in round 2nd. But you cannot add new option. You cannot add Saptagiri, you cannot add Srinivas if you haven't added in the round 1. That is meant by one-time option entry rule. Okay, so they have bold this obviously in the Neet PG Karnataka browser. This is written in the different font and color so that you pay more attention to it. Okay, candidates will not be allowed to enter option again for any other rounds. Okay, only if any new college come, then you can add that college. Okay, like if maybe SR Patel is just established, for sake if it get approval, which is next to impossible, it get approval for PG. Then you can add SR Patel seats for general medicine, but in no other case you are allowed to enter new colleges after round 1. Now, how we would counter this? We do not know what colleges we can get from our rank. Okay, there is no exact idea to you now. You have a rank of 50,000. Maybe you would get general medicine, maybe you won't get general medicine. Maybe you get a lower budget college, maybe you get a college that has a total budget maybe 1.5 CR. That exact idea you do not have now. So to help that, Karnataka allows mock allotment. Mock allotment would give you an appropriate idea. You can edit your options and then that option list would be final throughout all the rounds of counseling. In some exceptional case, they might allow, but remember, most important round is round 2nd, and in that round, they do not allow the option adding. You cannot add new college, you can delete, you can alter the order, maybe add Saptagiri on top, Srinivas below, maybe BGS on top, PR Ambedkar below, that is up to you. But you cannot add new option, not even a new branch. You have added Saptagiri, you have just added general medicine. Now you can not add Saptagiri Dharma. After round 1, mock allotment is declared. Okay, after round 1 mock allotment, you have to do a final option entry, and that is final for the remaining rounds also. So that is a very important rule in Karnataka. That is why it is written with a different font. That is a criteria when we upload a PDF. Okay, so this rule would definitely affect your thinking, because initially some students, see, if you are pessimistic, then it is no worry that you have added more options, you can delete that now. But if you are optimistic, over optimistic, then it would be difficult for you. You just added general medicine and now you want to compromise on pediatrics or chest medicine. You cannot do in Karnataka. Okay, so that is a very important rule. If you want more updates regarding Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh or D Medical College clinical branches counseling, you can join my Telegram Manas Khanduja 1430, which would further have a link for the Telegram group of Neet PG. If you want a discussion regarding your options in Karnataka, what are the resign rules if we leave the seat? Okay, what are the budget for different branches? Okay, I want maybe my branch priorities chest medicine and opthal. So what can be the maximum budget? Can I get a college in Bangalore? Okay, and maybe should I add additional options like ENT also? Okay, that we can discuss in that single session. You can book that session by texting me on the above WhatsApp number. You can join this channel to see other videos also regarding Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh and D medical colleges. Karnataka videos would be in English while the other two are in Hindi. Okay, and you can join my Telegram for at Manas Khanduja 1430 and Telegram, Instagram Khanduja 1430 for all the updates regarding these 3 state counseling. Sorry, the third one is D medical colleges. Okay, bye bye, all the best. And the above number is just to book paid session. You can text. There is no need to call on this number.